Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by locking the fundamentals so every game counts. Set consistent crosshair and sensitivity, then confirm stable 60 plus FPS or 128 tick practice servers. This reduces mechanical variance. Once done, warm up 15 to 20 minutes with an aim trainer and range routines to prime muscle memory. Make sure to queue solo or duo when your ping is under 50 ms and you're mentally fresh. This immediately raises your baseline performance and makes every match a productive step toward rank up. You must convert skill into consistent wins by focusing mid-game. Communicate short, specific callouts and track opponents' economy to force favorable fights. This lets you make smarter buys and executes. Once in rounds, use utility for timing and sight control rather than chasing every kill, since map control wins more rounds. Make a habit of reviewing demos once or twice weekly to identify 3 recurring mistakes, then practice fixes. This targeted loop accelerates improvement far faster than random play. You finish matches by prioritizing high-value decisions in clutch and close situations. When odds are even, isolate fights and avoid wide peaks. Secure time and utility to force predictable engagements. Make sure to manage tilt by limiting competitive blocks to 2 to 4 games and taking breaks when frustrated. If your rank stalls, swap roles for a session, do a focused solo demo review, or take a 24-hour reset. This troubleshooting tip breaks negative cycles and restores progress momentum.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.